Hello, everyone. I'm Tasha Harris, owner operator of the Angels Network. I'm here because Spirit told me to get up and tell you all that want to learn what your spiritual gifts are and learn how to use them, that for the first time in my life, I am to offer this class to you for only $50. I don't know why. I don't know who really, needed this. I do know that I am worthy of all my gifts, and I never lower my prices. It's not a clearance thing in my head or spirit to do. I never charge very much for any of my services. And yet, if you still cannot afford them, on all of my services, I always offer layaway or some type of payment plan, or put down your $5 good faith money and just let me know. I'll pay for the rest of the class on payments, Tosh. Okay. Or something like that. Just be honest, because you know I'm going to know if you're not, right? So, Angels, Teachers, and Guides at theangels.org. It is a class on how to learn what your gifts are and how to use them. I've been doing this since I was 18, and I just get better and better because Spirit teaches me how to get better and better and how to do things and when to do things. And once you start listening to that still small voice and know you're not just making things up in your head, your life, just like mine, only gets better and better and better. You get your own answers faster. You don't have to go from reader to reader to reader. Not that we should anyway. You learn how to be still and use your own self as your own tool. And I'll teach you how to use other tools as well. Ever used dowsing rods, tuning fork, other things like that that you never thought of? We all have our own tools, but more so, we all have our own answers within us already. So, I look forward to hearing from you. info@tashastouch.com, or come on over to the website, theTheangels.org. Welcome to the family.